Hey guys, in this video I will be telling you guys some top 5 zip compressed files. So if you are in this video, if you're watching this video, you have already know what the zip file is. For that, let me also clear you this how zip file works, what are zip files, and how the stuff goes on. For example, this is my file. I have to zip it. I will archive it. For example, this is the file. I have downloaded this software. I will tell you guys about this later. Right click it. I will add to archive, and I will click OK. And this will be that file. Its space was 1844.9 MB and it went to 82.3 MB. So this is how zip file you can save a little bit of spaces. Let's go to our top 5 files. First of all, number 5, it's 7-zip. 7-zip is a really old file, old compressed file. It is a free software, free compressed ratio file. For example, this is was compressed size. When they compress it, it went to here like 39 GB to 15 GB. Really stuff, like really great stuff, man. So how to download it? If you have a 32-bit system, you can download it from here. If you have a 64-bit system, you can download it from here. Just click on download, and this download will be started. Just like for now I will cancel it. This is how it works. And second one, um, I mean the fourth one, we will go to to our fourth stuff. All right, so the fourth one is bendy zip. Bendy zip. So fourth one is bendy zip. These are the files. This can be used as well, like that. Just click here, download it, and whoa, you don't have to do the so much hassling stuff, so much hassle. For sorry about that. Let me open something before I move to my video. um, it was this one, and alright, so this is bandage zip. This can be used as well, like this. Let's go to our third file. It's panda zip. And I think they have deleted these are that can be used through these files. I have already told you. For now it is not preferable to go through all the stuff. And yeah, this is how it works. This is how the stuff goes on and on and on. Let's say, um, you have to compress the file, and we have one more. And the second one, it's WinZip. First it was the last one was 7-zip, and the second one is WinZip. Yeah, this is second one. I don't prefer this. Like, you have to pay for this software, that file compression and management utility software. No, we don't want this. We don't want to like compress the file and get that through that to work. What is the best in class in file compression? No, I don't think so. This is no number one. I will tell you guys what the number one is. I will show you the number one software. Before that, let me just log into my account. Sorry about the delays. All right, so the first one, it's WinRAR, the king is here. This one, just click here. And yes, this is the first one. This is the software I am also using. I have never faced any kind of issue. um, this is how it works. This is a really great software. You can use this to do the stuff, to these things, like just agree how to download. Yes, this one is best one. We can say that. Yes, softonic. Yes, we can say that this is best one. For example, I have to download it. I will click here, or I will just click. Oh, sorry about that. If you want to support the developers, you can click on buy. Let's see how much it is for. Yeah, for $29. We don't need maintenance, physical delivery. Alright, so yeah, this is how it is. We don't need this. It is for 1 year. Just to support them, I will go back. Alright, so I will click here to download. So this is WinRAR. This is WinRAR. So I will go click here, or I will click here. For example, I will just click here. Click here, continue to download, and then this is how it works. This is WinRAR file has been downloading here. So once it download, you just have to install it, and boom, this is how it works. So these are some top 5 compression software. WinRAR is really great. It is really working great since 1995. Alright, so yeah, that's all for today. I'll be seeing you guys in another video. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed, have a nice day. Bye.